Good morning, Dr.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Modomi. I think we know each other.
Lovely.
Yes.
In these circumstances.
I will ask you a few questions on behalf of the respondents
Thank you, sir.
and the second interested party, who is the party I represent in this case. For the record, please confirm that your affidavit is dated 28th of April, the year 2026. National identity card number, either it does or it does not.
We have the client's ID number.
That's not my question, sir. My question is, on its face, does this document disclose the national identity card of the patient it describes?
Deliberately not.
Good. Does it indicate the travel passport number of the patient?
Deliberately not.
Good. Deliberately not. Very good answer. Does it give the patient's name?
Deliberately not.
Therefore, you have to agree with me, sir. A document that does not contain the patient's name, does not contain the patient's national identity card number, does not indicate the passport number. We have no way, based on the document, of ascertaining who is the patient described in that document.
We do have. We can ask the person who prepared it.
No, the person on the doc is you. Does this document on its face, sir, disclose the identity of the patient described there?
Only by initials, RG.
RG, which could mean anything, isn't it?
To other people, but not to me.
Okay. Fair enough. I put it to you, sir, that you having brought this document to court, you cannot run away from the fact that it doesn't disclose the identity of your patient.
Deliberately so when it was prepared. But
Okay.
now I can disclose. If you ask me who it is, I'll tell you. RG.
RG could as well be Rob Gitau, right?
Could be, but it is not.
It could be Ruth Gitanga.
It is not. Ask me
I
what
put it
is.
to you, sir, it can be anyone and anything.
In this category, no.
Okay, fair enough.
You can ask me who is RG. I'll tell you who is RG.
The problem, doctor, is we don't believe you. That's why these questions are being asked.
You asked me, why did you write RG? I explained.
It is me who chooses, unfortunately, the questions to ask. So, let's go to that. The title of the document is a medical summary.
Correct?
You have to agree there is a difference between the summary and the primary document.
That's true.
So, has the primary document been placed before this court?
I don't know.
Can you see it anywhere in your affidavit? You can take time to flip through.
Not on my evidence.
It is not in your affidavit. You have to agree with me, therefore, in the absence of the primary document, an independent reader has no way of confirming whether this summary agrees with the primary document.
They can ask them, right? Within proper parts, yes.
No, on the documents, we are dealing with the document. In the absence of the primary documents, would the third party have a way of confirming whether the summary is accurate?
If that document was adequate in itself, I would not be here. I am here to answer questions pertaining to that document, to say whether it's correct. If it was adequate on itself, you wouldn't call me here.
We actually called you, Dr. Gikonyo, because the document has just too many gaps. Let's go to the paragraph of your affidavit that talks of the 48 hours to 72 hours.
Correct?
That's paragraph 7 of your affidavit.
Correct, sir.
If that were true, it would mean this patient, and we mean patient RG, whose identity we don't know,
Which I can confirm.
it would mean that this patient would have been discharged on or before 20th October 2024. Correct or incorrect?
Or a month later?
We are following the document, sir. Your paragraph says he was admitted for how long? 48 to 72? Your paragraph 7.
Sir, please read correctly. Recommended.
And when does it say he was discharged?
On the 20th
Of which month?
of October.
Of October. Good. And what is the discharge date given in the medical summary?
November.
November. That's actually 34 days later.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
You have now attempted in your exam in chief to explain the discrepancy.
Not attempting. I did explain.
Okay. Let's take it you have explained. You have explained while on the witness dock
Yes, Your Honor.
the discrepancy of 34 days, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that explanation set out anywhere in your affidavit? The explanation you gave this court for that discrepancy?
Yes. This is understood.
No, my question is the explanation you're now offering 1.5 years later, is it said, show me the paragraph of your affidavit that explains the discrepancy?
It was not required.
It was not required. But for the record, is it given in your affidavit, that explanation?
Not given because not
Good.
required.
It's not given. This summary gives the consultants who are attending to the patient. Can you see that part of Exhibit 3?
I do, yes.
It begins with yourself. Who are the other doctors?
Your Honor, if you allow me to explain,
You can look at it.
I know it, but
I haven't asked the question for you to explain. You can only answer questions I ask.
I know the names on the list. But I can
The names
Yeah.
given there,
Yes, I can look at them, but I know them.
you know them.
No
Good.
problem, yes.
Is the maker of this document one of the doctors who are indicated as attending to this patient?
No.
No.
You need an
So we don't have the primary document, and we have a summary made by a person who did not attend to the patient.
Not correct.
Not correct. Is Dr. Sarita, just for the record, indicated as one of the doctors in this summary who are attending to this patient?
She is not a consultant.
My question is she indicated as one of the doctors who are attending to the patient? From the list given at the top, is Dr. Sarita one of them?
Your Honor, I must explain what this list of consultants mean to the audience here.
We are not interested in that. The question is she indicated? Either she is, and Dr. Wade, quickly, if you answer the question, the more we kick about the bush, unfortunately, the longer time it will take.
But I can't allow you, sir, proceed on a misunderstanding.
My Lord, the witness has no...
Excuse me, Dr.
Yes.
You came here to give evidence.
Yes,
You
sir.
answered questions as put to you by counsel
Okay.
without any
But, Your Honor, if you-
litigation. Just answer the questions as put to you. If you don't know, you say you don't know. Then you proceed.
And that's how the law works, Dr. Gikonyo, just for the record.
thank you.